Your Experian score can appear frozen because credit reports are not updated every day, and your score only changes when new information is reported. If your Experian score is not moving, you'll learn why it happens, what to check, and the steps to take if your information is not updating correctly. The first thing to check is your credit report activity. Credit scores change when lenders report new information, such as updated balances, payment history, or account changes. If your lenders have not reported anything new, your Experian score may stay the same even if you recently made payments or changed your credit habits. Start by checking the date of your most recent Experian report update. This helps you understand whether your score is actually frozen or simply waiting for new account information. Next, review your credit accounts for recent changes. Check your credit card balances, loan payments, account status, and any new information that should appear on your report. If you recently paid down a credit card, the lower balance may not appear until your card issuer reports it to Experian. The payment can be completed while the credit report still shows older information. You should also check for inaccurate information. Look for accounts you do not recognize, incorrect balances, wrong payment history, or outdated details. If you find an error, dispute the information with Experian and provide supporting documents that explain what needs to be corrected. Another reason your score may seem unchanged is that small credit changes do not always create a noticeable score movement. Credit scores consider multiple parts of your credit profile, not just one payment or account update. Avoid checking your score expecting daily changes. Focus on keeping accounts current, making payments on time, and monitoring your reports for accuracy. If your Experian score has not updated after new information should have been reported, contact the lender first to confirm what information was sent to the credit bureaus. The main steps are checking your report update date, confirming lender reporting, reviewing your credit information, and disputing errors when necessary. Your next step is to open your Experian credit report, compare it with your lender accounts, and identify whether the issue is a reporting delay or incorrect information. If this helped you understand why your Experian score is frozen, like the video and subscribe for more credit score and credit building guides.